Welcome everybody, we got an interesting question. We are expected to differentiate this quantity with respect to sine inverse of 2x times root of 1 negative x squared. So foremost, what I wish to do is I would like to take, let u be equal to secant inverse of 1 over root of 1 negative x squared and v be equal to sine inverse of 2x times the root of 1 negative x squared. Then I will consider this quantity first. Okay, now considering this quantity, from this quantity I would like to consider 1 over root of 1 negative x squared. Now I'm going to take, let x to be equal to sine theta. If x is equal to sine theta, then 1 over root of 1 negative x squared will be rewritten as root of 1 negative sine square theta, which is nothing but 1 over root of 1 negative sine square theta is cos square theta, which is nothing but 1 over cos theta. 1 over cos theta is secant theta. So therefore, what did I do? I have rewritten 1 over root of 1 negative x squared to be as secant theta. Okay, so let me get another sheet of paper. Now I need this sheet of paper. Now therefore, let me go back to the original one. So let me take this as 1. So therefore, I can rewrite 1 to be as u is equal to secant inverse of 1 over root of 1 negative x squared is secant theta. So secant inverse and secant theta, they get neutralized. Now I have u is equal to theta. So this is the all important place or all important point of the problem solving. Okay, now I have got u is equal to theta, but what is theta? Okay, this is what we have got, but we know that x is equal to sine theta. We actually assumed this, x is equal to sine theta. So this would mean sine inverse of x is equal to theta. If I were to take this as 2, therefore I can rewrite 2 to be as u is equal to sine inverse of x. Now u is equal to sine inverse of x. Find du over dx, differentiating this with respect to x we get. So du over dx is equal to 1 over root of 1 negative x squared. I'm going to take this as 3. Okay, let me have this in one corner. Okay, go back to the other side. What is the other side? I have already divided the page into 2 sides. Okay, now what I wish to do is I would like to get rid of this this x here. Now initially, if you remember, I took x is equal to sine theta. So now what I'm going to do is I will consider first 2x times root of 1 negative x squared. Then I will take x is equal to sine alpha. So this one can be rewritten as, this means in place of x I'm going to substitute sine alpha times the root of 1 negative sine squared alpha, which is equal to 2 times sine alpha times the root of 1 negative sine squared alpha is cos squared alpha, which means 2 times sine alpha, root of cos squared alpha will give me cos alpha. This is 2 times sine alpha cos alpha, which is popularly given by the identity sine 2 alpha. So this means if I were to take this as sum 4, then I can rewrite 4 to be as v is equal to sine inverse of, in place of this 2x times root of 1 negative x squared, I'm going to substitute sine 2 alpha. Sine inverse sine, they get neutralized, giving me 2 alpha. So v is equal to 2 alpha. But what is x? But x is equal to sine alpha. This means alpha is equal to sine inverse of x. Okay, so take this and substitute it here. So if I were to take this as some phi, therefore I can rewrite phi as v is equal to 2 times sine inverse of x. Now let me differentiate this with respect to x. dv over dx is equal to 2 times differentiation of sine inverse of x gives me 1 over root of 1 negative x squared. So I'm going to take this as 6. Now watch here, 3 and 6. So I'm going to use this paper. So from 3 we know that, what do we know? du over dx is equal to 1 over root of 1 negative x squared, and also from 6 we know that, okay, I'll say we know that wk, we know that dv over dx is equal to 2 over root of 1 negative x squared. Now we are asked to differentiate this with reference to, what is the question? Differentiate it with reference to sine inverse of 2x times root of 1 negative x squared. That means I have taken v to be a sine inverse of 2x times root of 1 negative x squared. So that means differentiation is with reference to v. So therefore du over dx divided by dv over dx is equal to 1 over root of 1 negative x squared divided by 2 over root of 1 negative x squared. This can be rewritten as 1 over root of 1 negative x squared times root of 1 negative x squared divided by 2. They get cancelled, giving me 1 over 2. So this is the final answer. So please like, share and subscribe to our channel, everybody. Thank you. Until we meet again.